at a this is called commercial building, and they have a larger forced air furnace, but not a package unit, and it has ductwork that we can clean. You can see Skylar here. He's got an access right there. He's going down through the ductwork. The main ductwork goes all through the lines here. Some kit. That's some of the wrap that we already used up covering the ductwork. This is a negative air machine. This is pulling around 5,000 CFM through the ductwork. There's a special hole here with an adapter. It seals up to the hookups. So there's a hookup, and that's actually what's underneath this. And then this fiberglass here just goes back up. This wasn't actually attached. This one was attached, and then we're going to luminize tape that back up. So it looks great. And then there'll be a patch over top of these. They'll be screwed in, and then have luminized tape, so it's all nice and sealed. But let me show you this, some of that blue wrap I was telling you about. So what we do is we cover the ducts that we aren't accessing, so that it makes the airflow more intense through the ducts that we are using, and that allows the machine to capture even more dirt. This is a 12-inch hookup. This machine actually requires 220 power, so we're hooked in two different circuits, and that's a converter box that powers 220 over to the unit. And then because we're so far away from where we have to park, that's just one of our smaller commercial compressors. You can see in here, you know, we got them all covered, and so what that does is it limits how much air can get through here. You still get some seepage, but that limits how much air, so that when they're working on, they're working on that duct down there, they're using compressed air to stir up all the dust in there, and it makes it super intense through there. And then it sucks it in, processes the air, filters all the dirt out of it, and then the air with this process just blows out the back here. And it's got a HEPA filter right about there in that unit. That makes a big difference keeping the air clean in the area that you're working in. So this here is a little bit different than what we're usually doing for air duct cleaning, just because this system is actually a light commercial system, and this tape looking stuff is actually just tacky. It's just barely even on there, and that, like I said, just creates a vapor barrier. See, like, that's how easy it comes off. And then we're going to clean these grates when we're done, and that'll be good to go. But there's 22 of these. We're almost done with 22, and yeah, making a big difference here. So these ceiling ones, when they were returns and heat in the ceiling, they don't tend to get a lot of that hair, and chunks of stuff, because they're so far away from the ground. They usually just get, they might get a couple of hairs in there, but for the most part, it's just really fine dust. It's actually the fine dust that you can inhale into your lungs, and that's what causes more of a problem than anything else. So you can see this is one that has a knob that controls the diffuser. We can go right over top of that. So yeah, that's what we're up to today. But been a lot of ceiling work. The only thing actually coming down off the ceiling is a little bit of that paper from the drop ceiling. You can see it's just speck sealing on here. But other than that, that's what we're up to. So knocking this out, got a few more things to do here, and then they can be done for the day. So hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you soon. And if you need your air ducts cleaned, obviously give us a call, 814-547-1848. Gladly take care of you, get you a quote. And then I'll show you one quick little thing we got to do here. So they have another system, a package system that's outside. It's a big metal furnace box outside. It has heating and air conditioning. These are the in and out for the main area upstairs. And they had somebody come and do inspection. They cut these big patches out. So we're actually going to take one off of each side and do an inspection of our own to see if it's something that we can clean, which we should be able to, but we're gonna check it out. So fun, always stuff to do. I always love getting stuff cleaned for people. So all right, have a great night, great day, great morning, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you soon.